Hi, today our agenda is about creating courses on your Aduro LMS system. This tutorial video will just take a few minutes of your time and will help you understand the very first thing that one should know in order for them to make sure that your student will have the best experience while learning or studying your training courses. Okay, but before we go any further, let me just show you a bigger picture of what we're trying to do on your system. Literally a picture or a chart of our agenda for today, which is creating courses and its components. The Aduro LMS comprises of courses, which in turn made of modules, and each modules have topics and workshops, and even activities attached on it. Topics within the modules can have resources, quizzes, and tools underneath it. This chart is actually designed in a chronological manner from top to bottom. This is the same manner on how the system is designed for you on your Aduro LMS system. This the same chart will actually guide you on how to use the system. So on the Aduro system, you have the option to enter your username or your email. Mine is just admin, okay? And my password is already saved in here. So click login. Now once you are logged in, notice on the left side, this is actually what we call the administration section. This is where you add or modify the learning materials on the system. It is also where you manage enrollees or student into the account by clicking on users. And you can also see some reports in here, but basically we will be using LMS tab. This section also can be hidden by clicking on this icon at the lower left, making the dashboard a little bigger. Let us have it shown. This dashboard works the same way as the administration section. There's a lot of workaround for certain action. Now, also just to share with you, I'd like to share to you a student interface. This is how a student interface looks like. So on the left side, we call it the student section where they can see their courses and all courses that they can, they'll be interested to partake. On the middle is their dashboard, but this can really look very interactive depending on how you set up those courses. So let's go back to the administrator account. So let's click courses. And the agenda for today is adding courses once again. I click on courses and immediately in the middle it will show you all your active courses. Currently I have 5. Those courses have introductory videos on it and a short description about those courses. Now on the top right for us to add course, let's click this button that says add course. It will then route us to the course main information form. Before filling this out, I'd like to show you something. So before we start filling all the information needed by the system, this is the framework that I have prepared for the course that I'll be putting into the system. This is the same as a chart that I've shown to you. So the course is about project management practice, the qualification, which is a certificate for upon completion of the course, and also I have here the description about it. Now onto the modules, I have 4 modules for this one, wherein 3 of which are auto-enroll and 1 which is an elective. And underneath those modules are the topics, so you will see it in here. So basically, if you have this framework, everything is going to be smooth and easy as you're filling up and completing the form. So let's go back to the system. So first things first, the name of the course will be Project Management Practice. Okay. And then it will ask you if you'd like it to be published right away or you would like to put it on private for now. Highly advisable that you put it on private because as you are polishing your course, you wouldn't want students to enroll or see this publicly. Now let's put a category for this. Of course, it's going to be project management. And then the qualification for this, as stated on our framework, is going to be Certificate 4. And then let's put a code for this one. Let's just say ABC123 for now. And then hit Save Qualification. Now, so that we can make it interactive, let's put a introductory video for this course. There's several options for you to be able to upload something on the system. But for now, let's put something from YouTube. Actually found one earlier, so I'm putting in the URL here. and I'm hitting on submit. So, of course, upon completion of the course, they are to receive a certificate. So let's upload something in here. Please note that you can also customize the certificate on the system. You can visit the FAQ to know how you can customize this for you. That's it. Certificate for in project management practice, and then let's hit on save. Okay, so it will then ask us does the module field is required. Let's now start by adding our modules into the system. Let's click create module here. Okay, so as shown on our framework, the very first module will be management techniques. Let's put a short description about this one. So let's also select an image or a video for this one. Let's just hit continue for that. Let's just use the same keyword for this. This will actually help the screen readers or search engines, so that is also important. This one I usually just simply use the same. We can always change it later on and hit save. Let's scroll up and check on the mails. This is the information that the student will get upon checking or enrolling on this module. So let's check the plain text. Okay. And the full HTML. Full HTML is okay. So this token will be replaced by the student's information. And there's an option here that we're actually add an e-material. Now the e-commerce tab on the module creation is actually where you put a cost. Remember the course can actually have a cost and also per module. Let's put in 0 and then hit save. Let's click on auto enroll and the module dependency would be I don't think there is any, so let's just simply select none. This one there's no certificate for this module completion, so let's just disregard that one. Now the default tutor for now, the system only has LMS tutors, so let's select that one. It's very important that you have a designated tutor so that all the assessments will go directly to that person. Now let's click on add another item. Remember we have 4 modules, so I'm just going to be very quick, create module, and the name for this is time management. And the short description, best practice in meeting deliverables. Let's also put a video for this one, not an image. So I have prepared something here. So time management, something from YouTube. So let's upload it. It's always nicer if you actually have a video uploaded than an image. Scroll up once again and then click mails. Of course, this is the default message that they will receive. There's an e-material once again. Later on into the social media, I'll be uploading something in here for the e-material. But for this module, there's none. So let's click e-commerce because this is required by the system. Let's click add a new product and then let's select $0 for this one. No, nothing will be charged to the student. Click save product and then click save. Now remember to click on auto enroll. Module dependency will be none for this one. There's also no module completion certificate. And the default tutor for now is LMS tutor. Now, I believe we're done with the first and second module. Let's add the third one. So click add another item and select create module. It will open up again the box wherein we are putting in the information about the module itself. So the third module will be about quality management. So let's type in quality management here. See how it's easy if you have a framework. So again, this description is just something that I came up with. I'd like to put in, let me check what I have for quality. Okay, I have a video for this module. So let's select video and then let's select web and then put in the URL for the YouTube link and then click submit. I think this will be it. Okay, so let's check the mails. Basically, it's just the same. Let's go into the e-commerce and make sure that it's not going to be billed to the student. So let's select $0 for now. Okay, click Save Product and hit Save. So currently we have 1, 2, 3 courses in here. Let's not forget to click auto enroll for this third module, and then the module dependency is none. Module completion certificate, and the default tutor will be LMS tutor. So for this tree, basically we have put in the same information almost on each category here. But with this fourth one, since this is an elective, it's going to be different. So let's select add another item for the last module. Select create module. So the fourth module will be social media management, which is an elective. Okay, so that is my short description about it. Let me add an image for this module. Let's just select next. Okay, so it will then again ask for an alternative text. So let's put in social media management. And again, I'm putting in the same thing for the title text and hit on save. Now it will be there, your image. It's nice. Okay, so let's scroll up and see the mails once again. So remember I mentioned to you that I'll be putting in an e-material for this one. I'm uploading something. So I'll click choose file. Say for example, you are to provide like a brochure. So let's select this one. So let's select e-commerce. I'd like to charge them. Right now you can do that. Let's say for example, let's just charge them $10 and then let's select save product. Okay, let's hit save. Let's just make sure that we double check everything here. So the second one, the time management. The first one is management techniques. Both are auto enrolls. There's no module dependency. The third one is quality management, wherein it's auto enroll as well. LMS tutor. And then the last one is social media management. Let's select elective. And then module dependency will be, let's say, management techniques. With this one, since this is an elective, we'd like to reward people with a completion certificate. So let's choose this one, module certificate for social media, and the default tutor will be LMS tutor. Please do not forget to click save so that everything will be in the system here at the bottom left. So basically that's it. I believe we have created a course for project management practice. So this is our course. Let's select this one and check it out. Here's the course introductory video. Here are the 4 modules that we have created. Okay, so once you think that you were able to complete all the information about the course, okay, and also all the modules, on this section we also have the web tab. This is actually where you promote the course. Let's upload a photo. So I like this one, also a brochure. Let's just say this one is a brochure. Okay, so it will ask you for a course description. We have it ready a while ago. So let's put this one in here. And the system will also ask you for some additional information. It's up to you if you'd like to put it in. But for me, I think I'm satisfied with the course description for now. Yeah, I think for now we can leave it blank. And let's hit on save in here. Always remember that on the bottom left is the save button. Now let's check what's going on with the course. Nice, we have it in here. Okay, so if you click courses, it will route you on the courses that is created on your system. It's still not published as in here. Let's click edit to make sure that everything on the course field is filled out and completed. So we're done with the course, we're done with the modules, we're also done with the web. Now let's check the mails. So on each module, as you remember, they will be receiving a message, and as well as when they actually start the course. It's up to you if you'd like to add an e-material for the entire course. Let's say, for example, a book or anything that you can upload, as long as it's less than 5 MB. Now, on the e-commerce tab, remember on the modules, this is actually shown because on the module it can be paid, and as well as the course, you can actually ask for a payment for the course. So let's just say there's no payment really for this one. So let's just put 0 and hit on save product and then save. So it's routed us again to the main dashboard. Let's just go back to the course itself.